Hello everybody, my name is Saran and this is Flora. Flora, what are you doing? You're doing a circus trick with clues. Balancing vegetables, great. Okay, well I like how you've put the smallest vegetable on the top and the largest vegetable at the bottom. Yep, very talented. Okay, so would you like me to help you? Yeah, you're stuck. Of course I can help. Okay, so we have cucumber. We have a carrot. And we have, oh, you feel better now. A courgette. Okay, so carrot, cucumber, courgette. So is the sound, can you think of the sound? Yeah, I think so too. I think the sound is going to be k, k, k. Is that right? Yeah. Well, it looks like we've got the sound right. So, can you say the sound one more time? K, k, k. Oh, well done. So the sound k can be a little bit tricky because there are two letters that make the sound k. So now I'm going to show you. So the first one is a curly k and the second one is a kicking k. So let's start with the curly k. The sound is k. The letter name is C. This is a capital C. This is a small c. The sound is k. The letter name is K. This is a capital K. This is a small k. The curly k and the kicking k can also be joined to make the same sound. Together, we look forward to seeing you in our Phase 2 phonics. See you then. Take care.